Red is a breed of chicken. They are utility birds raised for meat and eggs, and also as a showbird. They are a popular choice for backyard flocks because of their egg-laying abilities and herdiness. They were developed in the New England state of Massachusetts and Rhode Island. The Rhode Island Red is the state bird of Rhode Island. The bird's feathers are rust-colored, dark, but darker shades are known, including maroon, bordering on black. Their eyes are red-orange, and they have yellow feet with reddish-brown beaks. Chicks are a light red to tan with color to dark brown bars running down their back. Hens weigh slightly less than the roosters, at about 6 to 7 pounds. The Reds are friendly chickens with a good nature. They are good pets for children, but they can get aggressive when annoyed. Frequent layers. Rhode Island Reds are known for their brown eggs. Healthy hens can lay about up to 6 to 7 eggs per week, depending on their care and teachment.